Dear students, welcome to our class on letter writing 1. I would like to cover letter writing in 2 classes. This is the first one. Now, there are 3 types of letters: personal letters, business letters, and official letters. Personal letters we write to our parents, our very close relatives, our friends. Business letters we write to sell the product or to purchase a product or for any other business purposes. The third one is the official letters. Usually students write letters officially to get into a job, or when you have already joined in a job, you write a letter for leave or something like that. Now, a letter has 6 components or 6 parts. The first one is the heading, we call it. Heading is on the right hand side. You write your full address, place, comma, date, full stop. The second one is the salutation. What is meant by salutation? If it is, if you are writing letter to your mother, my dear mother. If you are writing letter to your friend, if he is a very close friend, my dear Rajesh. If he is not so close, dear Rajesh. If he is so close, my dear Rajesh, we write it. So, first one is the heading, second one is the salutation, the third one is the body of the letter. So, what is the body of the letter? That I tell in the next class. Of course, letter writing 2, but in the body of the letter, basically we write 1 or 2 or 3 paragraphs depending upon the content. Next one, a complementary closing, we call it as. Yours sincerely. Say for example, if your friend is not that close, you write yours sincerely. If your friend is really close, okay, you write yours lovingly, friend. Okay. Now, if you are addressing the letter to your mother, my dear mother, your lovingly son, your lovingly son. But please remember, you put a comma there. The next one is the signature. Fifth one is the signature. Now, as far as signature is concerned, if it is a business letter or official letter, you should write after your signature in bold letters your name also. Need not put any brackets there, but after signature, comma, after signature, what you should do? You should write it in bold letters. The last one and the 6th one is to whom you are addressing this letter. That's what we call it as the superscription. Superscription means on the cover what you write. So here write the name, comma, next village name, of course door name, district, state, pin code number. So the letter will have, the first one is the heading, address, your address, comma, full stop, date. Okay, right. Number 1. Number 2, salutation. Okay, what is the salutation? If it is dear sir, official or business, okay, sometimes you write dear name also. Sometimes you write dear after dear name, dear Satish. Okay, so that is what we call it as. Now, the body of the letter, yours sincerely, that is the complementary clause, signature, and the superscription. This address you write it on the cover also, envelope cover also. This is what is the letter writing. Thank you very much. In the second one, I complete the body of the letter. Thank you.